Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the battery section, and here you have this option battery percentage. As you can see, I already have it turned on, but here you can switch this option, and as you can see, when you have it turned off, you don't have any battery percent next to the battery icon, and when you have it enabled, you can see your battery percentage here in this corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.